Good morning, year one. So last week we practiced on how to open our code. And today we are going to start doing our lesson. And you are going to teach the computer on how to do games and things like that. So we will start with some puzzles with the click, hold, drag, and drop with Mr. Mouse. Click, hold, drag, and drop. So let's see how it goes on code. So you are going to open your class. Yes, I'm going to put it a little bigger here for you to see. And you have your names here. Abdulaziz, Abdullah, Abdulrahman, Adam, Ahmed, Almutaz, Amar, Atir, Aya, Badr, Hilal, Hud, Jude, Maha, Malik, Maria, Marian, Miss Ada, Rakan, Rim, Riham, Salma, and Yusuf. So you're going to click in your name. So Miss Ada is going to click on Miss Ada. You click on your picture. And under your picture, there is this orange sign. You click on the orange sign to go in. Okay. So it comes here, all the lessons you have on code. Yes. So this is lesson 1. There is this activity here. And then in lesson 2, there are all these activities, all these levels. So let's click here on lesson 1. Well, it's taking a little while to open. Yes, Miss Ada's internet is a little bit slow. Why is it so slow? There it is. And it's a very cool video. But if I play here for you, it's not going to work very good. So I can, later I can copy the link for you of this video and you can watch it, okay? But you can watch later. We are not going to watch it now. So you just click on continue under, okay? You continue under. And if you want to go back to the meeting of Miss Ada R, you have to look down in your bar. There is the Teams meeting, your calendar, and your meeting will be here. It's not showing because for tomorrow, let's see, tomorrow. Why? Anyways, and then if I want to go back again to my code, do you see here this X? And then, oops, I closed it. I didn't want to close it. I was too fast. Now I close it. Okay, that's okay. So now I'm going to go to lesson 2. Okay, lesson 2. Let's see if I can find Teams here. So you have to follow the instruction here. Click the block. Oh, Miss Ada, I don't know how to read. No problem. Click on this book here, and they will read for you. Yes, then you click here on this play.
Click the block.
What?
Block. Click the block.
Okay. So click the block. I need to click the block. Oh, I forgot. You need to click on the arrow to go back. So click on the block. Oh, I finished lesson 1. Oh, I love this. Very easy. Then I continue to the next lesson. What do I have to do?
Drag the block to the target.
Okay. Okay, so drag, click, hold, drag, and drop. Okay, I love this. And the next is the same thing. You have to keep doing this, putting the blocks together. Now I'm going to snap this one together to make the picture. I'm not going to do all of them because I think you got what you have to do. Let's go a little bit to the end when things might get a little more complicated. So the house is not in order. You need to put the top of the house on the top, the middle in the middle, etc. Okay? And snap together. Oh, I forgot to say the like. I like this house. Let's go to the end here. See, now you have number 1, number 2, number 3. So I'm going to put number 1 first, then I snap number 2, and then I snap number 3. Okay, I love this. So I think you can do lesson 2 really quickly and get ready for lesson 3 next week. So next week, we are going, you can, if you want, you can click here, go to lesson 3, but we are not going to start this week. We are going to start next week with lesson 3. Okay? So, masalama. Enjoy your lesson. Oh, and a big hug from Miss Ada. Kiss to you. Okay? Miss you all. Bye-bye.